To begin troubleshooting, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side. On the right pane, select Troubleshoot, then choose Other Troubleshooters. You will find an option for the Audio Troubleshooter. Click on Run next to it. This will initiate a scan and attempt to automatically fix audio issues. Another effective solution involves checking the Windows Audio Service. Search for Services in the Windows search bar and open the Services application. This list is arranged in alphabetical order, so scroll down until you find the Windows Audio Service. Right-click on it and select Restart to ensure the service is running correctly. Finally, updating your audio drivers can resolve many sound problems. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Then, choose the option to search automatically for drivers. It is also a good idea to check for and update all drivers within Device Manager to ensure everything is current. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.